पहले मैं ये जानना चाहूँगी, आप दुबई ट्रैवल कर रहे थे अपने जन्मदिन के लिए।
Yeah.
व्हाट हैपेंड ओवर देयर?
So as soon as I went there, I was the same evening. I was not feeling that great. I went, and when I woke up, I felt little feverish. But मुझे लगा travel का fever है, तो उन्होंने पैरासीटामोल की ड्रिप लगा दी एंड आईवी कर दी कि ठीक हो जाएगा. But for 3 days मेरा fever ही नीचे नहीं आया. I had fever around 103, 104, and then one point came. मैंने रात को 12 बजे अपना केक काटा और आई वॉज इन माई होटल रूम. मैंने वो 3 दिन होटल रूम नहीं छोड़ा. आई वॉज कंटिन्यूसली इन फीवर एंड इन पेन. जैसे ही केक काटा, आई जस्ट टोल्ड माई फ्रेंड्स वर देयर एंड अली वॉज देयर instinctively that because this is very unusual with me, getting fever and being like I was at my worst. I was feeling really bad. एक बार हॉस्पिटल चलें, and I wish I had done that before. I really wish I had done that earlier. So I reached hospital, and by the time they run tests on me, my CRP, which is CRP, I'm not sure if it's something else, which is a rate of knowing how much infection you have in body, had crossed all the levels, and it was at a very, very risky stage. So it's supposed to be between 0 to 5. Mine was around 323 or 333. So it was, when you have so much of infection in your body, you can have sepsis and it can just फैल जाता है. And so thanks to God, we figured it out. I was in the hospital for 3 days. As I became little stable, we took our flight, came back to India. I continued my treatment. Some scans, we are still supposed to run them again because the doctors in Dubai gave me this conclusion that I have terminal illnesses. It's something very complicated, that there is inflammation in a part of your intestine, and there could be various reasons of it. So we have to investigate and figure out what could be the reason for me. And I'm going to get that treated and figure out slowly with time.
Oh God.
Yeah, so but now I'm feeling, touch wood, really good. Actually, since last 1.5 months, I have fallen sick back to back so many times. Now I feel even scared to say, I'm feeling good. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है, oh my God, मैं ये बोलूँगी नज़र लग जाएगी, मैं फिर बीमार हो जाऊँगी. I've had such terrible phase in last few months.
Touch wood.
Yeah,
नहीं
touch wood,
लगेगा.
and I am sure it's all over now.
It's all
Yeah,
over.
only
Yes.
good health now.
Yeah, you'll be fine. एंड ये जो एक्सपीरियंस था ये बहुत ही स्कैरी था.
यार बर्थडे पे मैं इमरजेंसी रूम में थी. इधर से भी नीडल थी, इधर से भी फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर. आई वाज लाइक, but I still remember that moment also. I was very strong. I was observing all my reports, tests, whatever the conclusions, everything very actively. Like I was completely aware of what was happening, why are we doing this, and I was trying to be brave.
क्या सिखाया इस पूरे एक्सपीरियंस में आपको?
इस पूरे एक्सपीरियंस ने मुझे ये सिखाया कि हमें यूनिवर्स से मैसेजेस लेने चाहिए. आई थिंक आई हैव बीन हैविंग अ वेरी हेक्टिक टाइम, and universe was trying to tell me, Jasmine, slow down, give some time to yourself also. You also deserve to love yourself and heal and then get back to work. So I took that break. I went on a holiday for healing, and this is what I learned, that you have to love yourself first, and you are going to be enough for yourself, but that doesn't mean you have a work burnout.
Yeah.
Do not burn out, because eventually it affects your health, and then further, then you cannot do anything more. Your health is the most important thing. And I have always been somebody जो health का काफी ख्याल रखती है, but yes, it's not just me. I feel all we girls, even you would be feeling कि हम लापरवाही करते हैं अपनी हेल्थ के साथ, जबकि हमें बिल्कुल नहीं करना चाहिए. So I've become more conscious about health. I want more women to know that, how careless we are, how we just burn ourselves out with work, home, everything, and what are important nutrients for us, and just take care of you guys.
Yeah. Ali has been a very strong support for you
Yeah.
during that phase. Yeah.
I am glad he was there. Imagine
Yeah.
right now, when I was traveling to Bali, the only fear I had was like, अगर मैं दोबारा बीमार पड़ गई तो क्या होगा. इस बार तो मैं अकेली हूँ. आई वेंट ऑन अ सोलो ट्रिप. आई वाज लाइक, मैं क्या करूँगी. बट देन टच वुड, थैंक्स टू गॉड, द ट्रिप वेंट वेल.
कोई जब पूछता है शादी कब कर रहे हो?
तो मुझे लगता है कि आपको क्या लेना देना, ना आपने केटरिंग का बिल भरना है, ना आपने शादी का डेकोरेशन का, आपको क्या मतलब है भाई, जब करनी होगी कर लेंगे, आप अपने काम से काम रखो। मुझे सीरियसली यही आता है कि तुमको क्या पड़ी है, तुम अपना देख लो यार, हम कर लेंगे जब हमको करनी होगी, तुमको लेना देना क्या है, जब होगी तो पता चल जाएगा।
आई नो, आई मीन एक पॉइंट के बाद ऐसा लगता होगा एज
पता है
एक्टर्स
क्या,
कि
नहीं लोग, इट्स नोबडीज बिजनेस गायत्री, इट्स नोबडीज बिजनेस, इट्स जस्ट दैट लोगों को अब मजा आने लगा है पूछने में, क्योंकि उनको कोई जवाब नहीं मिल रहा, तो लोगों को मजा। एट सम पॉइंट नो, पीपल आर सच sadist mentality. They are like, maybe this question bothers them, that's why they do not give an answer, but it is a conscious decision that we do not give that answer. It doesn't bother us, so just to people feel, आई डोंट नो, लोग शायद अपनी शादियों में खुश नहीं है, तो उनको लगता है ये क्यों खुश है, इनकी जिंदगी में मिजरेबल हो जानी चाहिए, और शादी कब करोगे कब करोगे। तो मुझे कभी कभी हंसी आती है, मैं जोक भी करती हूँ, यार तुम लोग ऐसा सोचते हो क्या, इसीलिए तो नहीं ऐसा बोलते। So it's a joke, but yeah, whenever it has to happen, it will happen, and it's nobody's business, and people should really stop asking us that, because हम दोनों actors हैं, हम दोनों हम चाहते हैं लोग हमें जाने हमारे काम के लिए,
True.
जिसके लिए हमने इतनी मेहनत करी है, हम अपना घर छोड़कर इतने सालों से स्ट्रगल करे, we have made so many sacrifices, and we both of us are very hard working and focused people. तो लोग हमें हमारे काम के लिए जाने, हमें प्यार दे, ऑफ कोर्स हम दोनों को हमारे साथ के लिए भी प्यार दे, बट लाइक लुक बियॉन्ड दैट, बिकॉज बोथ ऑफ अस आर एक्टर्स, and we want to be recognized and loved for our craft rather than all this.
Individual personalities.
Yes.
Yeah. No, that is true. क्योंकि एक एक्टर होने के नाते फिर वो ओवरशैडो हो जाता है,
Yeah.
काम ओवरशैडो हो
Yeah.
जाता है। हाँ। अगर पैपराज़ी आपको ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग के टाइम मिल जाए तो आपका रिएक्शन क्या होगा?
यहाँ पे भी आ गए। इसलिए मैं ऑनलाइन ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग करती हूँ, ताकि मेरे साथ ऐसा ना हो।
मम्मी का कॉल शूटिंग के बीच आ जाए।
आई ऑलवेज रिसीव इट एंड आई टेल हर मैं शॉर्ट में हूँ, मैं आपको बाद में फ़ोन करूँगी, और वो बहुत मम्मी समझती है, मैं बोलती है ओके 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 बाय बाय बाय।
ओके। तो जैस्मीन, अब इतने साल, ऑलमोस्ट अ डेकेड हो चुके हैं इंडस्ट्री में।
2015
से
लेकर 2016।
कभी वक्त मिलता है जस्ट टू सिट एंड रिफ्लेक्ट, इतना टाइम हो गया, यहाँ से शुरू किया, ये किया, अब यहाँ पहुंचे?
Recently only, I remember sometimes we forget all this, and it is very, very important to remember from where you came, how you came, what your journey is, because we all tend to lose ourselves in this journey. So recently, I did this really amazing healing session in Bali, which was about theta healing and mind reprogramming. So during one of the activity in that, I had this whole reflection of from where I started, how I have been, and I felt so good. It is such a great practice to do. To whenever you're feeling low in life, to remember from where you came, how you came, what were your discipline, ethics, moral values, and why are you so special that what you have achieved in life, it's a dream of many, whatever profession it is, whether you're a doctor, engineer. It is a very, very strong tool to find if you're losing confidence in yourself. And I recently had that, and I feel really great about myself.
One should.
Yes, it's a great tool.
We are living in this fast-paced life.
Yeah, that we just have goals to achieve, and if there's any failure, we feel so sad. If there's something, any of our goal is not achieved, we start feeling so low. But then that is the time you take time to have self-reflection. You go back from where you were a little child, and how you started, how you had dreams, and how your journey has been, and everything that you've achieved that other people dream of. The moment you go through that journey and you are grateful to universe for it, I think you will feel great about yourself.